Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all, depends on the time when you take to watch this program now. Now me, my brother Crown Prince Emmanuel, when the knack of Ogbonge story with pidgin, so that everybody will feel understand wetin we dey talk for here. And the main reason why we are here today, now it be this, about how single mother take many for this country, most especially around the world. Because I remember when we dey grow up for Nigeria, we know they see all those single mother when we see today. When person marry, he don't marry. Who never marry, we all still know say he never marry. But now today, most especially in Europe, single mother can't be the things of the day where be say it can't come everywhere. Whether not because of money, or whether not the man afford to, whether not the woman afford to, they cause all these things where be say all these things they happen like this. That we want to talk about today. So I have here in my studio my brother Mr. Courage Igodala is here with me. This is another my brother Mr. Frederick Izeko is here with me today on this studio to talk about this very matter when you say they happen will be common for everywhere, most especially in Europe. So let me start from Mr. Courage. What do you think concerning this matter where you say single mother everywhere? Nobody can stay with marriage again. Once they don't born one, born two, they'll come out. Either they first Italy, they run go Germany, or they go France. They come up now because of money that they do this one. Where this error they come from? Is it the man fault or the woman? This thing they come from when they cause all this things.
I agree to now for us, so now do well man to listen for us for this matter. This matter more it also na serious matter. It don't cause trouble for us where this matter might see so now the man fault. Why I thought na the man fault? I know see most men go the verse now say I thought na the man's fault. Why I talk about the way the man they cheat the woman sometimes you know good that they eat and where the thing they pay me. You will see some people now because of this money maybe they share because of this government benefit. Some man no want go work, no want go hustle, no want go work, do the normal job maybe they do before for outside. And Jeremy they pay some kind of money. They want me to share that money with the women, and the women know that and the women that they make sure say they take care of the pikin. And the women they take care of the pikin well. But the man will want me to share the money with the man, the woman. They don't want to go also. They don't want to do anything again because of benefit where they see for government hand. I know they cause the problem
So, Mr. Frederick, what you still see concerning the matter when they go on so?
Okay, I agree to that for us, our people. Anyway, we be so that they watch this program. Now, good morning, now good evening, now good afternoon. This matter I want to talk about now. Me, I want to talk about that is because this matter it don't cause problem for many houses for this European day. So this matter now women now the cause am. The reason why I talk about be say if women don't born for man, don't born like two like one or two children, they want me to pursue that man come up for that house, so that only she will come they collect the child benefit. School, they know they go school. They know they level. They all depend on child benefit, so that the money go reach them till they use. They buy gold for neck. They buy expensive things. All those things is not good. You know say if you marry now, man not deal with you. That marry a guy he gets some kind of fight. So be say man go fight for you. Will be say the man don't marry you. You understand? You know how many people will be say they don't collect their children because say man not there to start with them. Now say still there for Italy. You know how many people will be say they don't collect their children. Maybe say not there husband because of single mother, because of child benefits.
Oh God, some man too dey violent. You fit go there life, make the man go kill you. Some man they beat woman anyhow. Not the
for you,
I get person that thing.
For
you beat your wife anyhow. Baba. You go stay, you get wife, me, you get sister that kill. You go they beat you anyhow. You know if you that kind of thing.
Listen.
Why you don't go report to police?
You go everything they report to police. You go report to police.
Listen to this thing happen one day in my area here. When you be say this woman, he dey with this man for almost a year plus, or 2 years before he be say they come born. Since when be say they never born, they no quarrel, they no fight, they no hear from them. Immediately they don't born one child now, money don't come. The next thing where I can see, say the woman go call police for the man. Say the man they beat him. After
You know they beat him.
This man I don't say almost 2 years now for this house. Now no quarrel, no fight.
Listen,
that the man can't say the money wey be say government bring come for the child benefit, say the woman say you wan send am go house, they go buy land for house.
Go buy land.
You can tell the woman, so okay, this money, make they put am for account.
Make they
save am for the child. So the woman say, no, say if people they dey rent, they need to go buy land, build that, use this money, they build that. Right, the man come say, as you get right for this pikin, as you still get right. Or if that is the case, this money, now you be the head of the house, meaning they keep the money, or make them, as you say you don't want me to save am, make them all share the money. Now the woman say, now like say, now only him get the money. Say now him spend time take born the child.
Yeah.
So maybe the man they come they argue now. Like the woman say, if that is the case, you don't want marry again. The man say, as they come they argue, say one for police warrant, say he dey beat am since. Say the marriage don't tire am. I said, not do. This woman don't carry. You don't divorce the marriage. The next thing where they hear, the woman dey married. They dey
brother, before woman start to do think that thing.
Yes.
You know say the man don't fair they do that kind of thing. Fair they beat am. If they get one kind of bad thing for mind, woman don't fit decide say in one carry that money start to dey go house without the thing of they want to discuss that matter for us, or they want to discuss that matter for his house before. Woman don't feel decide say because they don't first spend most time. The man don't fair understand the woman. You know what the woman will fit do before you marry her, before you give her belly. You know what this woman will fit do. You understand? They discuss that matter. Maybe their family, the two family, they rent. And the woman look and say, okay, this one in Nigeria, if they send this money, they go Nigeria. It will fit help the two family. Maybe they come out for rent. So that maybe they see no they pay house rent. Because we don't come here, come sit down here. We come here, we come build our family. Come out for poverty. Now make us come here. You know what?
That one way they talk, you know say that money where government they pay the parent or the parents say this one are for children money. You know say time come they will say ask about that money.
Nah, but you say children money. Why do the man want to collect the money?
Go build the house.
How the man will collect the money?
You never make your children make they okay for you. Talk about people where they.
The man no work. The man no dey go work. The man go just start ask for money to evening. The man no dey go work.
The man
what did the man dey do for his house?
The man go work.
If the man dey work, if the man dey see better money, they work. He know if it depend on that family. He know if it depend on that pikin.
Okay, oh. Another question.
Because they pay the man.
Another question when me get, be say, the time when be say they never born this child, they don't say they live. If people for us know they know they live.
They live.
I would say the woman not come abroad will come. Therefore, now they say they want to build that one.
That one different. Since they already come, they already marry. You know say time come when person don't mature, you will come say okay, you want marry. Once you don't marry, you will come born. Once you don't born, everything will come they go. You know say money they cause trouble well. They say the root of money is the root of evil. Once person like money too much, so that's man because of money. They know one they do anything. They just lazy.
Hello, my people. I bet one quick go for a short break now. We'll come back in 2 minutes time to discuss this matter finish. Because this one an ogbonge issue will be say we need to iron. Know the cause of this things will be say if they happen consign all these single mother when they happen for this country. In 2 minutes time we'll come back for break. I bet stay with us. Thank you.
The single mother, the single father, the single mother. Ọ̀tá no dem ma get me mo na bia o Udare inye no gba oko Abawo inye no gba nu Ora te get me mo Waga ko boku pe na ya dole mojo Ọmọ e na ria ọmọ e na mu fade o Single mother